Dear students, welcome to lesson 5 of our Introduction to IT for Business course. In this lesson, we will continue diving into the beautiful world of Microsoft Word. Today, we will learn how to review documents, create mail merging, and math equations. We will also learn inserting text boxes, drop caps, watermarks, and captions, and creating cross-referencing and citations. Adding visual elements. Word provides a wide range of tools that you can use to create visually compelling documents. Inserting shapes. Shapes are inserted to add visual interest and impact. On the Insert tab, in the Illustrations group, click the Shapes button and then click the desired shape. Drag mouse until the shape has desired size. Inserting Smart Art Graphics. Smart art graphics allow you to create diagrams that convey a process or relationship. In the Illustrations group, click the Smart Art button. The Choose and Smart Art graphic dialog box opens. In the left pane, click the desired category. In the center pane, click the desired graphic style. Inserting word art objects. You can use word art to add special text effects to a document. These styles combine outlines, fills, shadows, reflections, glow effects, beveled edges, and three-dimensional rotation to make text stand out. In the text group, click the Word Art button and then click the desired style. Reviewing documents. Many documents are developed collaboratively by a team of people or undergo some sort of a review process. With Word, you can easily track changes that you make to a document, insert comments in a document to make suggestions or explain edits, accept or reject changes made by other reviewers, as well as compare or combine multiple versions of the same document. Changing user information. When you insert a comment or make a change in a document with track changes, Word includes your name or initials with the comment or change. This helps to identify who made which change. To change your user information, click the File tab, then click Options. In the Word Options dialog box, on the General tab, under Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office type the name and initials that you want to use. Tracking changes. Whether you work on a document alone or with others, it is often important to keep a record of what was changed, who made the changes, and when the changes were made. On the Review tab, in the Tracking group, click the Track Changes button. Word starts tracking your changes. Showing or hiding tracked changes. To show or hide tracked changes, on the Review tab in the Tracking group, click the Display for Review arrow and then click the desired option. On Simple Markup, tracked changes are indicated with vertical line in left margin. All markup shows all tracked changes in document. No markup displays final document and hides tracked changes. Original displays original documents and hides tracked changes. Accepting or rejecting changes. If a document contains tracked changes, all the information about each change will stay in the document until you accept or reject the change. Changes can be accepted or rejected one at a time or all at once. Select the change that you want to accept or reject. In the Changes group, click the Accept or Reject button and move to the next change. Mail merging. Mail merges are used to create mass mailings. To perform mail merge, first, create new letter. Second, on the Mailings tab, in the Start Mail Merge group, click the Start Mail Merge button, and then click Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. Third, Step 1. In the Select Document Type section, select the Letters option. Fourth, Step 2. In the Select Starting Document section, select the Use the Current Document option. Fifth, Step 3. In the Select Recipients section, select the Type a New List option and then click the Create link. Sixth, in the New Address List dialog box, type the information for the first recipient. Seventh, in the Save Address List dialog box, select a location to save the file. Type a name in the File Name box. Eighth, Step 4. Write your letter section. Click the link for the Merge field that you want to insert. Ninth, Step 5. In the Preview Your Letters section, click the Next button or Previous button to preview each merged letter. 10th, Step 6. In the Merge section, click the Print link. Simple math equations. If you need to insert formula or equation, Word also supports such function. Let's write a formula that you see on the screen. First, on the Insert tab, in the Symbols group, click the arrow next to Equation, and then click Insert New Equation. Second, type y equals in the Edit box. Do not type spaces between characters. Equation Editor will take care of this. Third, to enter the square root symbol, click on the button that says Radical in the Equation Editor toolbar. Then select the square root symbol by clicking on it. Fourth, next click on the button that says Fraction in the Equation Editor toolbar and click on the fraction that you need. To enter the numerator, click on the top box and type 3. To enter the denominator, click on the bottom box and type 16. Fifth, press the arrow key to move to the insertion point into the next position. Click on the button that says Script in the Equation Editor toolbar and click on the superscript that you need. Now type a -c in the first box and in the second box type in a 2. Sixth, to complete the equation, press the arrow key to move to the next insertion position and type -k. Seventh, double click anywhere outside of the equation edit box. Text boxes and drop caps. Text box is a movable field where you can enter text. For example, let's type a quote. Click the text box drop-down menu in the text group within the Insert tab. Click a predetermined text box or select Draw Text Box. Once you have inserted your text box, you can resize it, move it around within your document, and format the interior text according to your preferences. Now let's type famous Cicero's quote: "While there is life, there is hope." Drop caps are an author's favorite tool, and for good reason too. The general purpose of inserting a drop cap is to aesthetically enhance your document. First, type at least the first paragraph of your document. Drop caps can only be inserted once several lines have been written. Second, place your cursor at the beginning of the document. Click the Drop Cap drop-down menu in your Insert tab. Third, choose Dropped or in Margin. Fourth, change other options by selecting Drop Cap Options in the Drop Cap menu. Columns and line numbers. There are several options to write document in columns. Select the Columns drop-down menu, located in the Page Setup group, and select Column Division. Line numbers are a way for the writer and reader to keep track of how many lines there are. These typically can be seen with poems in an anthology. In Page Setup group, click Line Numbers. You will be given a list of options of how you'd like to position the numbers and the words. Watermarks. A watermark is a faded stamp that appears in the background of your document. This function can be very useful if you wish to brand your document with the message that sets it apart from an everyday piece of paper. Click on the Watermark drop-down menu in the Page Background group of the Design tab. You can write any message or insert an image. Let's insert an image. You can see an image as a watermark. Captions. Almost like the text boxes, captions are used to label a picture, chart, or whatever else you will need to label. Go to the Captions tab and click Insert Caption. Choose what you want to label: figure, table, or equation. Now you can see a caption below your figure. Hyperlinks. Word allows you to insert hyperlink. This is useful because rather than having to copy and paste a website address from the document into your web browser, you and whoever else accesses your document will be able to click the link in the document and immediately open the website. First, select the hyperlink or links button in the links group. Second, paste the address in input. The word Earth now is a link. When we go to the read mode, we can click on the link and it will redirect us to the website. Cross-referencing. Cross-references are for large documents and refer to items such as headings, figures, and tables. To make cross-referencing, make sure every picture is captioned. In References tab, Captions group, click Cross-reference. When you make your selection of either numbered item, heading, bookmark, footnote, endnote, equation, and figure, be sure to click hyperlink, and click Insert. For example, I choose figure and only label and number. Figure 1 appeared in the text, and if you click with Control button pressed on the newly appeared part of the text, in our case figure 1, it will take you to the place where this figure is located in the document. Citations and bibliography. Microsoft Word incorporates the Works Cited help feature to make writing citations and bibliographies easier. Go to Citations and Bibliography tab, and before you click Insert Citation, make sure you have the style set to what you want. Write the information for your source as follows. If you choose Book, type the last name, first name of the author, then the title of the book, which is followed by year, city, and the publisher. Let's consider a case when the type of the source is a website. Firstly, type the name of the author, then name of the web page, which is followed by the name of the website, and then year, month, and day. Finally, paste the URL. To recap, today we have learned more advanced features of Microsoft Word like creating math equations, inserting watermarks, captions, and cross-referencing. We have created envelopes and citations. To develop additional skills, use one of the Word reference books available or go to Microsoft Office Online and take advantage of the many assistance training opportunities available. Of course, more time and diligent work will be necessary to take advantage of all the features. However, once you master the basic and advanced features, it will give you a competitive advantage in your future career. Thank you for your attention. We will have our Q&A session during our lessons. Please check your timetable. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to email them to me. Thank you very much. Bye for now.